How to use Klaviyo marketing automation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Klaviyo is one of the most powerful marketing automation platforms for e-commerce and small businesses, but most users get this wrong, and it can cost you thousands in lost revenue. If you're relying on generic email blasts or ignoring automation, you're leaving money on the table. The first common mistake is not properly segmenting your audience. Klaviyo allows you to create dynamic segments based on purchase behavior, engagement, location, and more. Sending the same message to every subscriber reduces open rates and conversions. For example, a segment of repeat buyers might respond to a VIP offer, while new subscribers might need an introductory discount. Another mistake is ignoring automation workflows. Klaviyo's strength is in triggered emails like abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and win-back campaigns. Many beginners send only one-off campaigns, missing the opportunity to nurture leads automatically. An abandoned cart series, for instance, can recover up to 15–20% of lost sales. Neglecting personalization is a huge error. Klaviyo allows you to dynamically insert customer names, products, and even behavioral data. Generic emails feel robotic, but a message referencing the last product someone viewed or purchased is far more likely to drive engagement. Tracking and analytics are often underused. Klaviyo provides detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, and revenue per campaign. Beginners frequently ignore these metrics, continuing strategies that don't perform. Regularly reviewing and app testing subject lines, content, and timing ensures your emails deliver maximum ROI. Finally, failing to integrate Klaviyo with your e-commerce platform is a costly oversight. Proper integration ensures real-time data flows into your campaigns, allowing for smarter segmentation and more relevant messaging. To use Klaviyo effectively, focus on smart segmentation of automation workflows, personalization, analytics, and full integration with your store. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll see higher engagement, stronger customer relationships, and significantly more sales.